Alrighty, what's up guys, Stuff Dylan Likes here, back with another video, this one more a timely one, and I say that because Nike just announced this refurbished program that they're doing. So essentially, according to their website, customers are able to return shoes to Nike, their experts inspect and grade the footwear, each shoe is carefully chosen and cleaned, sanitized, and then step 4 is that they return to stores at a reduced price. So essentially what they're doing is they're cleaning up old sneakers and reselling them. And there are 3 different conditions when it comes to reselling these sneakers, so 1 in like new, 2 gently worn, and 3 cosmetically flawed. Nothing new about this announcement. You know, sneaker publications and just basically the internet reported on this about a week or 2 ago, but I think where I'm providing the breaking news is that this isn't anything new. Pretty much over the past few months, if you're a fan of sneakers and you've been on social media sites like Facebook or Instagram, you've likely received a targeted ad from this website called Resku.co. I want to say they started in like late 2019, and I've actually made a few purchases from them in the past, so it's fitting that I'm sitting right next to these shoe boxes here. So in the past, I bought these 2 Jordan 1s from them. I have the Phantom ones here, NYC to Paris Jordan 1s. So these are just 2 of many sneaker purchases. I'll have in a card up top a whole playlist of the sneakers that I've picked up from them. But anyway, Resku.co's entire value proposition was surrounded by that sort of refurbishing Nike products. And after doing some investigation, this is all speculation, so don't count on this to be the most accurate information, but I do have a hunch this is pretty accurate. In browsing the site and chatting with their customer service a lot, a name that I've come across is this girl. Seems to be the founder of Resku.co, who after a Google search also looks to work at Nike. For privacy reasons, I'm not sure if I'm able to disclose what team she works for, but to me, after just digging around on the internet, it seems like she's very closely tied to Nike. In my mind, she probably started up Resku as sort of a pilot program, and perhaps the higher-ups at Nike caught wind of it, and at the end of the day thought it was a good idea for them, and likely moved forward with it in a more commercialized way. So again, that's just all speculation. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. They have this referral program where essentially if you use my link, you get 15% off your first purchase, and as a reward, I get a 15% off of my next purchase as well. So if you guys are interested in purchasing from Resku.co, definitely go down in the description and use my link below, because not only are you getting a discount, but it's also helping me out. If anyone from Resku is watching this, definitely hit me up. I've been keeping track of all of the qualified sales I've been driving to your guys' site. It's well over 60 now. So yeah, would definitely love to collaborate with you guys even further, but up until this point, I've been giving them free marketing. Anyway, there's really no direction to this video. Again, here are some past sneakers that I've bought, and I figured it was worth highlighting as well. Some sneakers that I've recently picked up from Resku because, again, very timely that I bought these. So how these sneakers come from Resku is that they're in this replacement orange Nike box, flipped inside out with this Resku sticker on top. This one that I have right here, I've already flipped it back inside out, back to the orange. I think it's a cooler look, especially how my boxes stack in the background and over there where you guys can't see. And then the sneakers themselves. So this first pair is a pair of Nike Shox TLs. I've actually wanted a pair of these for a very long time. So I bought these in like new condition. I haven't worn them yet. If you take a look, there isn't very much sole wear. It doesn't help that this is more of a translucent milky sole, so there is some yellowing just from, you know, age and stuff like that. But aside from that, the uppers are very clean. The only sort of wear that I see is on the insoles. There's some sock piling here and there, but nothing really bad at all. These are probably worn maybe once or twice. Same condition with the other shoe. Super clean on the uppers. The insoles, again, some sock piling, but nothing too bad. Outsole wear, super clean. So that's one pair that I picked up recently. And then here is another one, again, with the box I already flipped inside out. I've added a label just for ease of access, again, in my collection. But these are more of a hyped sneaker because it's a Jordan retro. It's a pair of the Jordan 6 Paris Saint-Germains. So a very similar situation. Let me see if I could grab the receipt from here. Bought them in like new condition, and as they're advertised, they are quite literally in like new condition. So the uppers, again, super clean, very minimal signs of wear. I will say at the toe there was some sort of scuff, and I'm not sure if it's the nature of this suede material, but there are also just some slight scuffs. I'm not sure if that's actually from wear or from just storage in the box, because this does come kind of tight, and yeah, they rub against each other, whether it's shipping or just me moving the box around. Here is the other shoe, same thing. The uppers are super clean. The outsole's also very clean. It looks like they've never been worn. Unlike the shocks, there is literally no signs of wear on the inside of the shoe, which is great. And yeah, those are 2 more recent pickups I made. I have the date on here. I bought these pair of St. Germain 6s on April 12th, and the shocks I bought on April 1st. So the time frame on both pickups is around the time where Nike announced the Refurbished Program. So with Nike making the Refurbished Program pretty mainstream, I'm not sure what it means for the website Resku.co. I know they're still continuing their usual Friday surprise launch of more hyped items, and I am noticing that inventory is added to their site pretty much daily. It seems like they're still getting inventory from Nike, but who knows what the future holds. For me, I definitely check it out pretty religiously because there are some good deals to be had on there. Again, as I mentioned, use my discount code in the description for a little bit of a discount off of your first purchase. I think it's a good option too if you don't live anywhere near those Nike outlet or factory stores where they're doing this pilot program for the refurbished stuff. I think with it being online, it's a good option for you guys to check out some stuff that you normally wouldn't come across. It's also free shipping in the US, so that's definitely something worth noting. But yeah, I think that's all I could think of for now. If I think of anything else, I'll definitely include it in this video. But other than that, let me know what you guys think of everything in the comment section below. I'd love to know what you guys think of Nike's Refurbished Program as a whole. I'd love to know if you guys know about Resku at all, or if you'd be interested in giving it a try. And if you're not about either, just let me know what you think of these 2 sneakers then. And I guess the sneakers that I've bought from them in the past as well. I'd love to know about it. If you guys liked the video and found it informative, let me know by dropping a like as well. If you're new to the channel, definitely be sure to subscribe because I'm making a ton of sneaker videos. Also follow me on Instagram at StuffDylanLikes because I'm going there to share sneaker content way before these YouTube videos. That's a wrap for now though. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.